Hello everyone, this is Vikram Kishore Bharti, a PhD scholar at Carbon Lab, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss the use of biomass waste coconut husk and combustion byproduct candle soot for lithium sulfur battery. This work was published by Materials Today Communication with an article entitled Carbon soot overlaid sulfur impregnated coconut husk derived carbon, an efficient polysulfide suppressor for lithium sulfur batteries. The lithium-ion battery has dominated the rechargeable electrochemical system. However, it suffers from the limited capacity of cathode material and limited energy density. Lithium-sulfur battery with redox electrochemistry bear a high energy density around 10 times higher than the lithium-ion batteries. Moreover, the sulfur bears high theoretical capacity of 1675 mAh per gram, which is almost 5 times higher than the commercial cathode for lithium-ion battery. Also, sulfur is low cost and naturally abundant. The lithium-sulfur batteries suffer from several challenges such as insulating nature of sulfur and Li2S, volume expansion during the electrochemical reaction, subtle behavior, and self-discharge action. So to avoid the insulating nature of sulfur, here coconut husk derived carbon was used as sulfur host, whereas to avoid the issue of subtle behavior, candle soot carbon has been investigated. The experimental of this work include pyrolysis of coconut husk at 900 degrees C and nitrogen ambience for 2 hours, and then the grounded coconut husk was mixed with the elemental sulfur in the weight ratio of 3:7, followed by heating in a tubular furnace for 155 degrees C for 15 hours in organ ambience to enable the sulfur impregnation in the carbon matrix. Later, carbon black and PVDF was used along with the composite to prepare the slurry by the use of NMP as a solvent, and then it was coated by Dr. Blade on the stainless steel substrate, and then the carbon coating was applied using candle soot over carbon, and these electrodes were used for electrochemical testing. Further, various physical characterization techniques were used to analyze the as prepared carbon and composite samples. Firstly, TGA was performed on the samples to quantify the sulfur content, and as per the weight loss, the sulfur content in this composite was 70%, and later the XRD pattern were carried out on the samples, where we can see the pink one for the carbon, where the hump is related to the amorphous nature of carbon. Once the sulfur is incorporated in the matrix, the sulfur peaks were dominated in the composite. On the other hand, when we drop casted the candle soot overlayer over the electrode, the sulfur peaks are less intense, which reveal the carbon coating was uniform. Later, the electrochemical characterization were carried out on the as prepared electrode. Figure A is for cyclic voltammogram performed at 0.1 millivolt per second. In this case, we can see the area under curve of the red plot is higher as compared to the black plot. The red plot is for carbon coated sample. Here we can see with the use of carbon coating, there is improvement in the charge storage capacity. So same thing was communicated when we perform the charge discharge profile at 200 milliampere per gram, where we can see the capacity enhancement due to the carbon coating. Later, we perform the rate performance on the carbon coated sample, which is shown in figure C, where we can see it is well behaving at each current density, and once we reverse the current rate after going to higher current rate, it is retracking the previous capacity, which is showing the excellent performance of the material. Later, to examine the cycle life, we have performed the long-term cyclic stability for 100 cycle at 1000 milliampere per gram, where we have observed the capacity retention of 94% for the carbon coated sample, which again really reveal the advantage of candle soot overlayer over the electrode. Now, concluding this work, candle soot carbon was used as an overlayer to prevent the dissolution of lithium polysulfide, while coconut husk carbon was used as a conducting host. To prepare the composite with sulfur, a melt diffusion strategy was employed. When tested as cathode for lithium sulfur batteries, it delivered a capacity of 500 mAh per gram after 100 cycle at 1000 mAh per gram. This work presents a cost-effective and excellent choice to develop an eco-friendly cathode material for lithium sulfur battery. Thank you.